I've got my table defined, and then I've got the AI going row by row, analyzing these numbers, which I also have highlights in, to help me ask good questions. Essentially, what do I want to glean from this information? That's all this prompt is saying. I've got this data, identify key trends and shifts, prioritize questions for management to investigate and the reasons behind these trends, focus on highlighted amounts for questions. Yes, the AI can see the actual highlights that I have in here, so it can focus in on that. So let's see, October 2009, that's great. It highlighted it. It was highlighted, so it focused in on it. March 2010, also focused in on initiatives or market conditions, rise to that. What drove record high in December 2010? Okay, great. Same goes here. Specific promotions or seasonal events. Great. Okay, these are great questions. So now that I've used my more intensive model, takes a little bit more time to process with that model, I'm going to switch back to my simple model and continue the analysis. And I'm going to switch back to a cell query as well and a new prompt that's essentially going to look at and use my knowledge base. And let me update my documents. And now let's process that. So I've got a different model, and it's going to look at each of these questions, and it's going to try and answer those questions based on the documents in my knowledge base. And I'm just going to keep letting this run, and I'll get back to you when it's almost done. Here we go. Here are the answers to your questions based on the documentations provided. Document does not provide specific details. Okay, that was actually expected. Does not provide, yep. So not a lot of information on dine-in sales. Let's see about delivery sales, because I think there should be information about these. Largely driven by product innovation and value pricing strategies, advertising or promotional activities, holidays, yada yada. Okay, this is good. Driven by product innovation. Yeah, this is great. So this is giving me an initial analysis of data using a pretty quick model, and I can get these insights really fast. So you could assume if you had a bunch of notes that you wanted to leverage, it could look at those notes to find answers. The limit is really just the data you provide to it and maybe the model that you use.